Well, dear students, in nuclear physics, I told you atom mass unit and definition electron volt, idea of isotopes. Thomson discovered that atom consists of negative charge and positive charge, and magnitude of positive charge equal to magnitude of negative charge. Later on, by alpha scattering elements, we got the total positive charge mass in the present nucleus. With the discovery of isotope of hydrogen 1H1, 1H2, 1H3, the ratio of the mass is 1:2:3. So it was supposed that in the nucleus of deuterium and tritium, some neutral mass is present, which is a multiple of fundamental mass of proton nearly. Initially, it was supposed it is deuterium. We have, their atom number is 1, 1. So naturally they have one proton in the nucleus only. I told you that atom number is the number of protons present in nucleus. But the mass of deuterium was 2 times that of hydrogen, tritium that was 3 times that of hydrogen. It means there is something more. There is some more mass, neutral mass inside the nucleus of isotope hydrogen, which is multiple of mass of proton. But what is that? That was not known. Initially, some people, I have told you, consider that nucleus may consist here 2 protons and 1 electron. But theory of electron was discarded because of uncertain principle given by Heisenberg. Because electron cannot live in the space in nucleus, it requires much greater space to live in, according to principle of uncertainty and de Broglie wave. So what is there inside the nucleus? So, and this discovery of atom has positive and negative charge was in 1898, and Bohr gave the model of hydrogen atom or model of theory. Bohr gave this theory in 1911, etc. But till that, this mystery was there. What extra mass present inside nucleus? So Chadwick discovered in 1932, very late, in one experiment. Chadwick in 1932 solved this mystery. How? In one experiment, beryllium 4Be9 was bombarded by alpha particle radiation, and with this beryllium after bombardment was found to emit some neutral radiation. Some neutral radiation were found emitted by beryllium after bombardment 4Be9. The only neutral radiation known at that time were gamma photon, electromagnetic waves, which are called gamma rays. So they were supposed to be gamma photon code at that time. The only neutral radiation were known to be gamma photon. And it was found that the neutral radiation could knock out proton from nitrogen atom, hydrogen atom, and carbon. These neutral radiation, when bombarded on atoms of nitrogen, carbon, helium, sorry, not hydrogen, then they could knock out the proton from the atom. Then application of kind energy momentum found that if these neutral radiation are photon, then their energy must be much higher than the energy available from the experiment. What I am telling, by these radiation can knock out, could not knock out the proton from these atoms. By applying principle of momentum energy, it was found that if these radiation are gamma photon, then their energy must be much higher than the energy of available in the experiment. It means these radiation are not gamma photon. The radiation, neutral radiation coming out of beryllium, after beryllium was bombarded by alpha particles, were proved not to be gamma photon on the criteria of energy possessed by the radiation. Then what is that? Then Chadwick solved this problem by assuming that these radiations are some new particles which have no charge on them and they are neutral radiation, and he named them as neutrons. He named as a neutron. Using principle of momentum and energy, he determines the mass of the neutral radiation which is close to mass of proton, and now by accurate measurement, the mass found same, and mass of neutron is nearly 1.00866 U, or is equal to 1.6749 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Chadwick told that these neutral radiation are some new particles which are neutral, have no charge on them, and he named them as neutrons. And he determined the mass close to this. By assuming this, the structure of nucleus could be satisfactorily explained, and the mass of the nucleus was supposed to be sum of mass of proton and neutron present in it. And position and the explanation of isotope becomes simple. For this, Chadwick was awarded Nobel Prize in 1935. In 1935, Chadwick was awarded Nobel Prize because this was a great problem. What is inside nucleus? To remember this work of Chadwick, what he did discovery. Now, with the help of this, we could explain the existence of isotopes of different elements, and it is found now that element gold has 32 isotopes. Gold has 32 isotopes whose mass ranges from 197 to 204. Sorry, 173. Sorry, 173 to 204. So these isotopes were discovered. It was found that inside nucleus, neutron is nearly stable, but in some reactions inside nucleus also it splits into proton and electron, and outside nucleus it has mean life of 1000 seconds. 1000 seconds is the mean life of neutron. It is unstable outside nucleus. It decays into a proton and electron and one more particle. I write it 0 N1. 0 N1 means it's atom number 0. Mass number is 1. It is split into 1H1, a proton, plus electron, which is also known as beta minus, plus antineutrino. Nu bar is very light uncharged particle, nu bar, and is called antineutrino. Antineutrino. It is called antineutrino. The neutron may decay outside nucleus as well as inside nucleus in this scheme, according to the scheme. Now, if an element X has atom number Z, so we write ZXA. Here X is the element with atomic number Z and mass number A. So number of protons in the nucleus of element X equal to Z, and number of neutron equal to A minus Z. For example, if I say here, just like I told you, gold AU 79, 179 हमने लिखा था 20 को 173, sorry, gold 79, AU 173. Please start learning the atom number and mass number. So there are 79 protons in the nucleus of gold, and 173 minus 90, so 79 means 101. How much? 73, sorry. 73. So it is 13 minus 12, 2, 4, sorry, or 16 minus 7, 9. नहीं आप लोगों का 173 minus 79 5 or it is 95. 173 दिमाग बिल्कुल आउट है। 94 protons or neutrons. So this was actually ZXA. Please remember it. I write like this, but some author write like this. Z NCR will write like this. No problem. So now in next video I will be telling you about the model of nucleus, which is very important to understand. So nucleus has proton and neutron. Now it has been confirmed. In next video I will be explaining you model of nucleus or structure of nucleus.